the channel. Today we have probably one of my favorite tools in the world as far as power tools go. Why? Because they're compact and they're for little small install jobs.
And they're versatile. Versatile.
And they're versatile.
They're versatile. I like that. That's what I like about them.
Yeah, no, they are versatile. I think, is it versatile or versatile?
It depends where you are.
Man, now you got me. I'm like versatile. You're like versatile.
Yeah.
Whatever. The trolls in your mom's basement. You guys can correct us. You guys, this all started when Milwaukee came out with their install tool, right? They showed
with this one?
Yes.
I think Bosch was actually.
No. I mean, this whole video
Okay.
was drummed up. The very first one on the market actually was
you're right, the
Festool CSX, which we'll go over in a second. That was the first one that had been around for many years, and then FlexiClick came out not too long back. Milwaukee came out. Actually, Milwaukee had something like the FlexiClick. It almost looked identical to it in Australia, I believe, years ago. Remember?
Okay, I thought so.
Yeah, we saw that floating around a little bit. Why it didn't come to the States, I don't know. But then Milwaukee came out, and Milwaukee, powerhouse, media giant, whatever they are, they just flood the market with it, and automatically it's the new tool, So we got to test it, and it was actually pretty awesome. But we didn't really compare it to the others, so we're going to compare it to the others here. Now, as far as like power and stuff like that, we're not necessarily going to get into that because you're not really going to buy one of these for power, right? I mean, you might, but it's doubtful. Don't you think?
Yeah, I mean,
because these are meant for finish work. So if you're going into cabinets, you're not really worried about, will it drive a 1-inch spade bit through oak? This is not the tool for it. So these are for just small, getting into tight areas, stuff like that. Right? Do you use them?
Yeah. I haven't used them yet. I used them on the first part of my house project, and it came in handy. I was actually using this style tool right here. And it came in handy, and then obviously when I do the kitchen, I'm going to be using it, I'm pretty sure, a lot.
So, walking into a store, which one do you see right away? Which one do you see just from looking at, do you pull into?
Which one would I want to go with?
Yeah, like which one,
Honestly, the very first one I would really look at would be the Milwaukee. Only reason being is because they're 12-volt line. The tool I like the best, though, is I like the Bosch one the best.
Exactly, you guys, and that is the huge advantage right there. And I know you guys are saying, wait, what about Festool? What about Festool? Well, Festool's kind of a niche brand, right? A niche brand or whatever.
It's a very nice tool.
Yeah, it's a very nice tool. There's no doubt about it. But it's for those guys that are just, really high-end guys. And they charge you for it, right? This one we actually got on Amazon. The buying experience, I feel this was the best because it was Amazon and it was delivered the next day.
You can't compete. It's hard.
Yeah, but this one was $300 on Amazon, you guys. We paid for this. And, it's just your CSX. It's a really nice feeling tool, man. It feels good in your hand. It looks kind of like the Milwaukee. The batteries, oh, wow, they changed it. My old one had this, you had to put the battery up there. It was weird. It was a different kind of battery pack. But yeah, so they have new batteries now, 12-volt. And you can feel, when you pull a Festool, they just feel nice, right? It's a nice looking tool. So that one's $300, okay? Then, this is from Home Depot, and this is $229. So you're looking at $70 cheaper, right? Now, not only are you looking at $70 cheaper, but this thing also has the offset, which the CSX does not. I don't know if you can buy the offset online, but this is basically just it comes with a right angle and a chuck in this kit. Again, I feel like I've seen an offset for it.
I thought they had one.
Yeah, but this one just doesn't come with it. So the Milwaukee is going to give you guys a lot of accessories. $229 at Home Depot, right? And then representing Lowe's, what do we have?
We got the Bosch FlexiClick. This is something we actually did. I think we did this a while ago. I know I've been using mine, but this again has 4 pieces. It has the offset.
You sure we did that? I don't remember ever seeing that tool.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
So
on YouTube?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't remember if we did or not.
So I mean, 12-volt, if you're in the Bosch line, Bosch is known in the industry, right, as quality. But you do have less of a warranty with the Bosch. Less of a
not as
warranty
many
with the
tools as Milwaukee does in the 12-volt lineup.
Right, exactly, exactly. That's why Milwaukee kind of dominates this section, you guys.
But if you take that out of it, I would still go with the Bosch. Not because it's cheaper. This one runs about 160.
No. Actually, this one runs 200, but it's on sale right now, you guys, at Lowe's. I'll put the link below, but you can get it through October 16th. Today, we're filming October 10th. If it's past that date, it's probably going to be past that date, so forget it.
This is going to probably be out in 2021.
Yeah, I posted it on Instagram today, you guys, on stories at 159. So 159, hands down, that's the one I would buy right now.
Why would you take price out of the equation? Take the line. Tool for tool, which one would you go
Milwaukee.
with? Why?
because I'm already vested in a 12-volt line.
No, take that out. I'm just saying if this is your first purchase, you're like, hey, I want something that I can do multiple tasks with. Which one would I go with?
Wow, that's really a tough question. Probably still the Milwaukee.
Why?
I just like the grip of it. I like the way it is. I really like the Festool. I would pick the Festool if price was out of it. But Festool does not come with that offset. And I feel like that's one of the major parts, especially for me, is the offset. I've actually used it quite a few times on the Jeep, putting the doors on. It's perfect, you know? I like the way the Milwaukee clicks on and off. I don't like the way the Bosch clicks on and off. This just seems to click on and off easier.
Really?
To me.
I think this one's pretty easy.
So like you just pull, and it comes on and off. With that, you have to actually lock it. Just take the offset tool and put it on. Okay, so we're gonna have a little race.
Well, I don't care really about speed.
Well, no, I guess.
I guess for me, the reason that I like the Bosch is because I don't like this handle right there. I feel like that if this is designed and I'm trying to get in tight spots, I think that that's gonna maybe cause, like if I'm getting in there, it might intrude. It might be. It might get in its way a little bit. Now, whether it will or not, I don't know. I just feel like if I was going tool for tool, that's the reason. I like Bosch's quality. I like this right here, the forward and reverse. I mean, not that this is.
See, I'm reversed. I don't like the forward and reverse up here. I like it on the tool. Why? Because when I'm in there, it's like, oh, I gotta back out a little bit.
Yeah, that's true. That's a good point. I can just use my thumb.
I can just use,
that's a good point.
Index finger and just.
More reason I would go with the Bosch.
Yeah, that's what I like about the Bosch. I don't like this about the Milwaukee, hitting that button. I just don't. I like the traditional back and forth. Accessories, you guys, are pretty much all the same. The Festool one seems really, like, these are solid, and the Festool one has this big, it's solid too, but it has like this big, I don't know, it's just big.
Then yeah, if you're trying to do something, that would get in the way.
So, I mean, it
man, look at the difference on the right angle between the Bosch and the Milwaukee. That's huge.
The size?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, especially if you're getting somewhere small, the Milwaukee.
Well, the Festool's even smaller.
Oh yeah, wow.
Yeah, so the Festool will get you in that tighter area.
Oh my God, look at the difference. Put them all together. Look at that.
So yeah,
that's a big difference.
Festool is small and will get you. So there's an advantage there.
So I guess too, then it depends. What are you going to use a lot?
Right. So there's an advantage there with the Festool. I mean, that's a small head, man. You can get into some tight areas. And again, the Festool just feel. Can I feel the Bosch? Yeah. The Festool just feels so nice. Probably followed by the Bosch, and then the Milwaukee. The Milwaukee just feels powerful, but it just doesn't.
Yeah, this has a small handle.
I know. I like it.
I don't like that. I definitely don't like this.
Really?
It's just, my hand feels, like my pinky feels like it's getting just pushed up.
Yeah,
like
you got a bigger hand than me. For small people, I think it's cool. Now, granted, you guys, this is like $80. This is whatever, $70 more than the Milwaukee, right? This comes with 2 batteries, but it does not come with that critical offset bit, which I feel is why you buy these tools, right? I mean, this I could just go buy a right angle drill, but it can't get into tight areas. What?
No, I was just looking at. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that. The Festool.
You guys, here's where it comes down to. Here's all the chucks, right? The Milwaukee chuck is metal. That to me is a huge plus. It's a metal chuck.
I don't know for me, because if I'm getting in tight spots, stuff like that, I don't know if I want that metal, because I don't know if it's going to end up damaging if I'm doing the cover or something like that. The plastic might be more forgiving in a way.
No, that is true.
It's still a metal chuck. It's just plastic on the outside.
No, that is true. You guys, they both have 2 speeds, relatively the same in RPMs. The Festool and the Milwaukee, I mean, it kind of looks like Milwaukee took a little bit of Festool's design. Perhaps with this thing up front, you can put a couple of bits in there, whatever you need to hold. But then again, like Eric said, he doesn't like this because it is extra bulk. This might cost you from getting the tool up into an area where this one would just go straight through. I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't know. It's interesting. Guys, I'd like to hear what you guys have to think. Who's been using these systems? I'm sure a lot of people have been using this for a while. I'm sure some people have been using this. This is new, so I'm curious to see what you guys think about it.
Yeah.
Has this handle actually caused any of you guys issues? Or is it something you're using and it just doesn't affect you at all?
Yeah, and they all have clutches. They're all pretty much the same. Milwaukee to me has the biggest advantage just because of that 12-volt line.
That's huge.
Yeah, you can get into all kinds of other stuff, ratchets, saws. Yeah, that's where Milwaukee kills it, you guys. Even if they build a tool, even if it was one of the worst here, which I don't think it is, but it would still have an advantage because of that battery platform. Because someone's gonna be like, man, I'm not gonna go out and buy this whole kit for $300. Now I got an extra battery charger and 2 extra batteries, and it's not charged. When I have, you know, 10 M12 batteries that I know one's charged. I know I always got one on the charger. It's always a good idea to stick with your same battery platform, you guys.
Oh man, is that not the truth? I'm doing the house right now, and I've got 3 different batteries that I'm using. I'm using Milwaukee, DeWalt, and Bosch primarily. And it is a pain because I've got chargers all over the place, and it's a brand new addition, so I don't have a ton of power back there, and it's a pain. And then you're like, okay, oh, I forgot to put the DeWalt battery on there, and all of a sudden it's
it's crazy. I mean, I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but it is, you know, it is. But luckily Milwaukee came through on this one, you guys. Their install tool is definitely one of the coolest tools that I think that they've produced this year to come out of where are they at? Milwaukee. But another thing you can do with the Milwaukee, Eric, I don't know if you can do with that.
I like this.
Can you add like this? Like I can add things. I can add to the right angle. So I
you can add to the right angle.
I can put my offset on the right angle. You can?
What do you mean? So yeah, I got that, and then you're saying the offset would go in there.
It goes on there?
Yeah.
See, that to me right there, just messing around with these things, trying to get them on. I mean, the Milwaukee to me,
I don't feel like you
it's
can
just
get
fast.
it on.
You can?
I don't feel like you can.
That's just fast to me. I don't know, man. I like these connections. I just feel like you can connect them fast. Let me try the Bosch. So the Bosch. Yeah, the Bosch. It's tight, but I just feel like. I mean, look how fast I did that.
Yeah, but I mean,
granted,
it's not a life or death thing for me. If it takes me 3 extra seconds, I'm okay with that.
I do like on the Bosch how it has a quick release versus the Milwaukee does not. Okay, those are just crazy looking tools.
Yeah, it is, isn't it wild?
I don't know, you guys. So we're not paid by any of these brands, you guys. That's just how it is, right? I mean, that's just how we feel about it. What is your favorite? I mean, granted, any of these 3 that you buy is going to be a good tool, okay? They're going to be a good tool, hands down. I just feel like with the Milwaukee, you're getting the best of everything, the best value, and the expansion into that line. How about you? Wrap it up, Enrique.
No, I agree 100%. It's a big thing. Like, if I had tool for tool, I would go with the Bosch.
But do you have a lot of 12-volt Bosch?
No, that's the problem with Bosch is they don't make a lot of 12 volt. I love their impact and their drill that they have their 12 volt, but that's about it. They don't have a lot of stuff. Now, a lot of the lasers they do have are 12 volt, which are nice.
Right. But see, that's what we're keeping out of that brand.
line.
That's why I'm keeping out of the Festool because I don't want another battery platform.
No, exactly. I agree 100%.
But it sounds like
that's why I would go for that.
But with Bosch, oh, you would go for that?
I would go for that because I like this tool. Out of these 3 tools, if I had to pick one tool, it'd definitely be the Bosch 100%. But because they've got a big line and I can go into other things, they've got a great impact, a great drill, but you can do so much more. I mean, they've got, you know, impact wrenches, drivers, all sorts of different things with their 12 volt, and that's why I would end up going with that.
Right.
Even with this handle like that and how that bothers me, I'd still go with that.
You guys, Festool, Amazon, got it next day. Milwaukee, I believe they sent this out to us, so did Bosch, but you can get this at the Home Depot or Home Depot online, and you can get the Bosch at Lowe's or Lowe's.com, you guys. And right now, it's on sale. I don't know if you guys are still going to catch the sale. Like I said, today's Thursday the 10th. The sale for $159 ends the 16th. If you follow us on Instagram, you would have known that already and purchased it, so, right?
Exactly. More reason to follow us on Instagram, guys.
Peace out, you guys.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.